Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. The expert told how to cope with the evening appetite. If there are attacks of Zara in the evening, it is better not to tolerate this condition, but still slightly snack, dietitians advise. A sharp increase in appetite arises from the fall in blood sugar levels. To prevent this from happening in the evening, it is important to eat normally during the day. Do not starve during the day. Otherwise overeating in the evening will be difficult to avoid, explains the dietitian Babbage. According to the doctor, it is useful to eat nutritious foods for breakfast, which will maintain your body's energy during the day with your calories. In the lunch menu-led meal, Babbage advised to include vegetables, greens and some low-fat protein dish. A few hours after lunch, you can arrange a snack with a glass of low-fat yogurt or a small portion of fruit. For dinner, something easy and useful, she said. If the desire is there, which arose late in the evening, very strong, it would be more useful to eat something than bravely endure the hunger pangs. For such a snack, you should choose those foods that will not create gravity in the stomach, do not put too much strain on the liver for the night, and will not lead to the appearance of extra inches at the waist. In particular, shortly before sleep, it is acceptable to eat vegetables and fruits, but preferably unsweetened. Too sweet fruit, such as bananas or grapes, it is better to leave for a snack, preferring berries. It is even more useful to stop your choice on vegetables, but necessarily cooked, stewed or baked, since fried in a frying pan or grilled vegetables are quite heavy for the stomach, says a nutritionist. She stressed that in order to avoid bouts of frenzied appetite, it is important to use during the day enough fluids, water and tea. Often drunk, a glass of warm water or green tea perfectly suppresses hunger and the desire to eat something very satisfying. If you feel hunger shortly before you go to bed, drink a glass of yogurt or warm milk, but do not start warming the cutlets, the doctor recommended. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.